Good morning. Welcome to Pyramid Securities. I'll keep it short and sweet. As you all know, we exited the market at 14,700 in January, around that range, mainly because of two reasons. One is the markets are moved from 7,500 to 14,500 in a matter of 9 months. So basically, almost 100% return in 9 months. If we extrapolate it for a 12-month period, it goes 130, 140%, which is like very high for the index, in the sense like index historical returns, average returns since it's up to 16%. So 1 year, 9 months return at 100% is a huge deviation from the mean. That means from 16% average, it has gone to 100%, which means it should deviate towards the mean. This is called mean reversion. It is not happening. It should have happened because it did not happen, and it's not happening as of now. But the markets, after that, after we exited 14,500 to 700, it went up to 15,400, and it was there in that range till almost August, because there was no major value buy happening. Market was in sideways, and it is again broken, and now it's gone to 70,500. So I thought it would be a right time to talk to you. The thing is, at this point in time, the money, risk reward is not in favor of moving the money from debt fund to equity fund, because if you notice, if you can recollect, in 2008 the markets moved from 6,300 to 2,700 range, and it touched 6,300 2 years later. So there is a lot of bad blood at that point in time, and we went through a lot of stress and trauma, all the investors, including myself. So we thought that when the risk reward is not in favor, we'll stay out, and that's why on base of mean reversion we left out. We moved out of the market, and now the thing is the market has gone further. But that is something, I really don't know I don't know an answer for that, because markets can be, a very big economist said, noted economist said, markets can be irrational longer than it can be solvent. So that is number one. And we exited based on not only the mean reversion, but even now the markets, I think, not because of we exited, but from what I've studied, I think I'll share what I understand. Because see, before there used to be long back, the operators used to be out of either Gujarat or Bombay. They used to be based out of there, and they used to manipulate the markets. Now it is the FPIs, the foreign portfolio investors, and it's the base is moved out of India. So it is very clear, because there are, for give a simple example, one is mean reversion is not working. Okay, that is number one. Forget that apart. There's another one called Nifty Future Premium. On a normal market, the Nifty, if it trades at 100 rupees, if the Nifty spot is at 100 rupees, the future will trade at a 15-point premium. That is normal market. In a bull market, it will go to 25-point premium, 30-point premium. But in the last 6 months, several times it has gone to minus 15%. So when it goes to a discount of minus 15%, only the institutional selling can take it to minus 15%, which means excess selling by the institutional investors. Now what is happening, this is being absorbed by the other operators, or now the liquid people who are flush with funds. So at this point in time, okay, come brass tacks, net, our strategy will be to still, now if the risk reward is not in favor at all, the money's from, if you invest from here, the probability of the return risk reward is, the probability of making a 20 to 30% return is very, very meager, but the probability of market 30% down is very high. At the same time, if we have the patience, if we wait patiently, and we can attract some reasonable valuation at some reasonable correction, the probability of the money, suppose if we get a 20-25% correction, which will be very meaningful at this point in time, and if we enter at that level, the probability of us doing a 80% to 100% return over the next 3 years is very high. Okay, so which is what can happen possibly, because it's like it's completely stretched. It is completely stretched the market. There is no, it is extremely expensive, and pure liquidity is driving the markets, and of course our operators are at play. So we'll have to wait for some time. Please wait, and Be patient, we'll be rewarded. Thank you. If you have anything, please post it in the WhatsApp. Please ask me. I'm ready to answer. Or you message me to call you. I'll call you immediately and share what little I have. Regret delay in communication because I thought August beginning it was like I thought it's going to fall, but it did not fall, and it fell in August. But end of August it again went up drastically. So please, this is like very expensive market. The risk reward is not in the favor of the investor. We'll have to stay put and stay invested in protecting our money. The money we made when we exited in January is the principal plus profit is what we are protecting now. So we'll get an opportunity to re-enter. I'll try and communicate to you maybe after a month. And in between, you have any queries, please contact me. WhatsApp me, I'll call you. Or you want to meet me, let me know. I'll come and see you. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. Bye.